So the pre-sale is finally over with the Infinaeon token. Talked about this token a few months ago, and their launch is about to go live. Well, their token is about to go live April 22nd. Today, we're going to be going over that token, kind of giving you guys a review, some of the updates that they do have. Remember, this is a docs team, right? And they have built a blockchain. And I want to say this, salute to the Infinaeon team, guys. Besides the fact that, of course, this is sponsored content, these guys have been building, right? And you want to pay attention to some of the projects that continue to build and execute and deliver, right? Even if the market is bearish or if the market is bullish. So salute to the Infinion team. The blockchain actually is live. It's not easy to build a blockchain, and the fact that they're docs, they've been continuing to pretty much grind regardless of the environment, really tells you the potential of not just the project, but also the transparency of the team. So again, I want to just, salute them for that. But the blockchain is live. Like I said, the token will be dropping on Uniswap, so you guys, you put your notifications on, follow the links. Their token will be going live on Uniswap, and then in the future on the native chain. So if you don't know what this project is, I'll go over it really quick. Okay, so they have the Infinion token. This is the token that's about to launch. This is a dynamic token, right? 50% of all the gas and dex fees on chain will be automatically kicked back to the token to buy and burn, right? So that's the utility that I was telling you guys. Of course, they do staking as well, but the fact that everything that happens on the blockchain contributes back to the actually token to give it value is what you want to see. They also have this cool little liquidity token here, the Infinion Plus token, right? A portion of the gas fees collected allocated to the Infinion Plus contract, which is a wrapped ETH token. But this Infinion Plus will appreciate in value. So it starts off 1-in-1 in value with Ethereum, but with ETH transaction, ETH is added to its contract, increasing its value over time. And of course, they do have the gas token, which is 1-in-1 with Ethereum, similar to Base and Arbitrum. Also have an entire ecosystem. You can see here, this is the swap. Of course, any new blockchain, you always want to create a new wallet and practice risk management. Okay, gotta put that out there. So yes, they do have a swap. If you want to add liquidity to a token, launch the token, they have a launcher. They have a locker as well, when you can create locks and lock your liquidity, right? Do the right thing, because it's the right thing to do. And you're gonna even earn through their wrapping and unwrapping of Ethereum. So a lot to be excited for. And the fact, like I said, the pre-sale been going on for months now, right? And the fact that they've been delivering, right? Blockchain is live, the mainnet is live, the token is coming out, right? Everything is coming together. But not only that, retail aspect, right? So you already know, like, I'd be in the trenches, right? And of course, this is their own blockchain, similar to like what Base is to Ethereum, right? It's a layer 2, sits on top of ETH, right? But it allows everything to work a little bit more better than just the clunkiness of ETH, right? Faster transaction speeds, consistent transaction fees. You can build, you can launch stuff, right? You can do things in a little bit more efficient manner on these layer 2s, right? And that's exactly what Infinion is. And the ecosystem even has the Lunar Pump Fund, right? Token launcher, right? You can literally launch tokens on Binance, Base, and even Infinion tokens, right? So just imagine if this ecosystem does get adopted anywhere between a $2 to $10 million market cap, so somewhere around that range, right? Which is pretty good for a starting ecosystem, right? The fact that about 60 million tokens have been staked, that indicates the community confidence in the stability of the growth. And like I said, these guys do YouTube videos every week, talking about what's going on with literally the devs are telling you what's going on with Infinion. So definitely something to keep an eye on. Of course, if you're getting in after the pre-sale, you got to practice good risk management, right? Of course, there's going to be some earlier investors that may have gotten in before you, so you always want to pay attention. What they say, buy the lows, sell the highs. Not financial advice, right? Not telling you exactly what to do. You do what you do, right? But understand that you're getting in after the token goes live, right? They did have a pre-sale, right? So you want to just be cautious of your initials and your entries. Just practice good risk management. That's all I'm saying, guys. So you can check out the white paper, their KYC. They have a bridge, guys. Go check it out. You know what I'm saying? I already talked too much. You feel me? I didn't let y'all know a little bit too much of the sauce. As the main net being live, a functional DEX, operational bridge, and they also have a wallet coming out, application on phone. Right now the beta is live for the Android phone, and you know, they talked to the team. They said they're working on the Apple version as well, but the Android version is beta. Okay, beta is live, so you can kind of like get used to using the wallet on the phone if that's what you want. If you're in the layer 2s, go do your research, go hang around the X, check the telegrams, get off the couch and go do your research. I think that this is a pretty cool token. If you want to start your own memes, they even have this cool feature with Luna Pump Fun here. You can actually do a community wallet instead of a dev wallet, right? So it's called the ICO, right? So you can actually do a community wallet where everybody can contribute to the community wallet, and the people who contribute to the community wallet all get in at the same price, right? There's no like you getting sniped or somebody getting sniped before you. Everybody in the community wallet gets in at the same price. It's actually a really good feature. You know, when they was explaining it, I'm like, wow, that's actually pretty neat. It's different. Of course, we got to see how it works. This ecosystem does get adopted, but they're in the, you know, I believe they're headed in the right direction, and they're trying to do things to make themselves actually stand out, man. So salute to the Infinaeon team, man. And yeah, you know, maybe retail comes over to the Infinaeon casino, right, and plays around with no meme coins. Who knows? Y'all let me know what y'all think about Infinaeon. Like and subscribe, and yeah, go check out the full review I did on the video probably like 2 months ago. It's on my YouTube. Go check it out. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.